Mark Salinas here at Station 51 with my new friend here. Introduce yourself for the camera.
Craig.
And we just made some of Charlie Avowed's grit recipe in celebration of our True Grit activities starting May 3rd at WNC. It'll last all month in Carson City for events for your entire family. In honor of the event, in honor of the work that Station 51 has done, we've made some grits here. You want to have a bite of the first?
Love to.
These are cheesy grits. There's onions, jalapenos, bacon, of course.
That's good.
There you go.